Hello YouTube, this is Created24 here today, and so I'm at my friend Maxbot Railfanning's house, a fellow YouTuber, and yeah, this is his model trains a local railfanning at Hershey, so there's his Amtrak. This is really cool. Alright. Wow, that's awesome.
Slower, but I don't want to keep everyone waiting for so long.
Yeah. Whoa, that's like actual K5LA too, kind of. Well, model K5LA. Alright.
Switch is manual.
Nice. Alright. Is it gonna go forward? Alright. So it's number 75. It's a regional. Station over here, it kind of looks like Needham Heights, you know?
Yeah,
I don't know why.
Okay, I'll show you the true speed station.
Cool. Model Northeast Forest. Oh yeah, the bill looks like ATS 64 kind of.
I keep pointing at the one now.
Yeah, we can hear how loud it is. Now it's coming up for station.
The fastest station stop ever, yay!
And then pretend we're Railfans over and you give like a huge work show. Like if I was at Wellesley Hill and spit.
Alright,
there's no one in the cars.
Yep, they're empty.
Alright.
I suppose you probably could open it up and like put people in there.
Oh yeah, like look at figures.
Now want you to take out the steam engine now?
Sure. Alright, here, I'll pause this right now. Okay, this is the steam engine. Whoa, different horn. I like Amtrak a lot better than steam engine just because it sounds like, yeah. There's Amtrak 75. Technically, the Amtrak would be like the regional in like Virginia. Or like for Pennsylvania. Coming in for station stop. Really slowly. Oh, it's still cool. You should like try like putting on like this car for like a private car. Like on Amtrak.
Yeah, I've done that a couple times.
That's
pretty
sick.
Fun. Yeah, this is when I got back in like 2000. You know what? 2010 probably. I was like 8 at the time. I forget. But anyways, I got this a while ago. So this is. I was so psyched to see this. I didn't have It didn't start with these Christmas cars. These I got later, which actually goes really well with that engine. I gotta say. But the original set I got came with that caboose, this crane car, the box
like
car, the blue box car over here, and then this flatbed car.
Yeah.
And it came
Lionel also does like the NASCAR stuff too. So like I have like all these NASCAR cars. I could actually show you them.
Yeah.
And like they're like Lionel. I even made one for myself too.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Alright guys, here's my commuter rail. 1527. Oh, and it has the new logo thingy on it. Oh, that's a T-Mobile ad. I just realized that. It's F40PH 1053, I think. Yeah, I think that's 1053. Alright, F40PH number 1053. And I'm gonna ride this to the junction of Meadowfield and departing. Alright, bye guys. computer train, everyone. It's 15:27 leading, and
Hey guys, take it easy.
bye. And 10:53 is on the rear. It's at F40 PH2C. Alright, here goes the computer rail. F40-2C. F40 PH-2C. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Created24 out. Goodbye. Okay, YouTube, I'm not done yet. I'm filming Amtrak right now on scale. Phase 3. This is awesome. So yeah, this will be the last video clip. And then I'll go to the editing.
We super unrealistically fast.
And then it slows down. So it's 3:46 leading.
Give you a nice shot of it coming by.
Is there a horn on the train?
No. There are. I've seen a couple on scale trains with sound. It's really hard to like fit it in.
Oh, yeah, because it's so
really small.
yeah. So this is phase 3. Honestly, it's my favorite phase. Look at it, it just shows out.
Oops, wrong way.
Alright, so it's stop.
Alright. Alright, now I'll take out the Providence and Worcester V40, which makes
and also, we'll have a scenario where, the Amtrak train has to get rescued by Providence and Worcester. Oh yeah, can you also do like both too? Like, can you put both in?
No, see the problem is like, I would accept that the thing is the Amtrak's motors are way faster than this one's.
Oh.
So they don't really run together so well.
Yeah, otherwise it would result.
Because Atlas's motors I think are a bit slower.
Alright, so now Providence and Worcester is going to join the Amtrak train. And we're going to pretend that the Amtrak engine had a problem and had to take it off, and then Providence and Worcester had to drive. Alright, where's Providence and Worcester? I actually saw that like in my like it was like a trailer thing for like when I'm going to Worcester because of my college, because my cousin's going to college nearby. That's awesome.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, is he going to Worcester Polytechnic Institute?
No, Clark.
Oh.
Yeah. So I saw a few trains there. I saw like brand new HSP 46s, so I got a glimpse. I was going to take a picture of them. I was like to my parents, "Oh, please, could I see them?" Except nope. Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of the same way my parents are a lot.
Yeah. Okay, I don't know why everything is smashing.
Alright.
Alright.
And so now, it's back down on the train.
There it is. Alright. Very good. It probably can't go as fast as Amtrak because freight engines have to go a ton slower, sadly.
Yeah, it can go that fast. It's just that the company that made it has a slower motor that they used for this one, I guess.
I wonder how fast freight trains can actually get up here without crashing.
Depends on the freight train, depends on where it is, I suppose.
Yeah, speed limit, depends on how many engines. There's Providence and Worcester. Cool.
Yeah, I got this when I was in Palmer for National Train Day.
Oh, nice. Like, so there was like a shop there or something?
Yeah, there was a little mall train shop, and I saw this. I was like, oh, cool, I want that.
Is there like any Amtrak?
I didn't see any Amtrak and scale stuff, or maybe there was, I don't know. But I wanted to get this, because this is just an awesome engine.
Yeah. It looks like orange and then ugly brown. It's like dirt, kind of. Alright, so it's 3:03. Yeah. Feels like I've seen it on YouTube. video before. I think I have.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah. Alright. It's gonna back up now. So now it's like the commuter rail.
Yeah, except we don't have a cab car. That could be slightly problematic.
Yeah, it could go right off the tracks or something, but we're probably not gonna happen. Let's hope not, anyways.
It's like you never know. The engineers are just kind of driving blind from the cab up there.
Yeah, like Amtrak 180.
Nothing wrong there. There'll be no problem ever.
It's not like the engineer on Amtrak Regional 180 was actually driving blind. Well, we don't
Yeah.
know.
Oh yeah, because when they back into South Station, because they get turned around, you know.
Yeah.
So what they do, they have like the engine back here, and then they have like a guy standing in the door with a little like air horn
Yeah.
and stuff, so people can know.
Yeah.
So that's grand scale trains.
And also 601, like, which I saw at Reedville, like, all this damage. I hope it will return, but probably in a few years.
Yeah.
Okay, YouTube, this is Cretan24 and goodbye.